Hello everyone, Mike from ROA Off-Road, and today I wanted to do a DIY for the Conqueror 490. Conqueror 490 is a very capable rig, really awesome. I've used it a lot myself, camped in it, and really enjoy it. There's a couple little things here and there that I'd like to change, and I do change, and so today I'm gonna show you one of those DIYs that you can do yourself, or if you're gonna pick one up from us, we could do it before you pick it up. So one of the unique features of the Conqueror 490 is it has an entrance on both sides of the trailer, and then they each have their own steps that flip out. So the good thing about it is since they close and go inside, it gives you really good clearance, so you're not gonna knock off your step. If you watch the other videos, I couldn't tell you how many steps I've broken off-roading with them. So that is a very good feature there. So one of the drawbacks about these steps is when they're out, I can't shut the door. So that's kind of inconvenient there. So at night, you know, you're gonna obviously close everything up, and that's totally okay. But if you gotta get out to go to the bathroom, you're gonna have to drop the steps back out, open it up, leave the door open while you go to the bathroom, close it all back up, etc. So it's kind of a little inconvenient there, as well as on this side, we have the heater where it blows right here, heating in AC. And when this is closed for night, you know, it blocks a little bit of that as well. So there's a couple reasons why I would actually like to remove these steps completely. And you still have your driver's side with the kitchen and everything. And that side, you just leave the way it is. But this side, I actually want to remove these steps, and that's what we're gonna do today. So all you need is a couple basic tools. Get a ratchet and use a 13 millimeter. And then 2 wrenches, a 13 millimeter to match up, and then a 10 millimeter, as well as another 10 millimeter socket, and get yourself an extension. All right, so let me jump into how we're going to actually remove these steps. Once you got all your tools gathered up, you just lift the carpet up here, and there we go. It's got 4 bolts that hold it down here to the trailer for the steps. And then there's these 2 straps right here with 2 bolts on there as well that hold the straps on there. So we're gonna remove those and also the steps. So I'd probably recommend removing the straps first, so because they're connected to the steps. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the straps right now. And this is the 10 millimeter socket. So I'm gonna grab my 10 millimeter socket and my 10 millimeter wrench and get turning. Some people really like to do their own things, which is great. You know, that's what all the DIY stuff's for. But sometimes it's just stuff that you just don't want to do and spend your time on, and that's okay. So that's what we're here for, and we can do it for you. So we get that off, and the other one as well. And now we're gonna switch to our 13 millimeter with the extension and grab my tool as well, and then we'll come outside, and you have to get under the trailer for this part. So get your socket underneath there. There it is, and then we get our wrench on top. And then you just get at it. Once it gets loose enough, you usually get your fingers on there. There we go. There's one. And then you just do the rest, the other 3 the same way. On this last one, you got all the weight on that bolt. Probably gonna have to support it as you pull it out. And now Just pick that guy up. And the steps are off. So the next thing, just because there's some little holes here, I'm gonna put the bolts back in each of the hole so that we keep that sealed up. All right, once you get all those put back in there, go ahead and put the carpet back. Nice, get that all back into place. And now, we got much better clearance there, nothing blocking the vents ever. And I can open this, close this door anytime. Don't have to deploy the steps. I'm gonna go ahead and put those two little bolts back over there where those straps were, just to make it look a little better. And then I'll go ahead and show you, well, I still need a step, right? That's a big step, you know? So there's actually a nice little portable step I'll show you that you can, we have them in stock, or you can purchase anyone from, you know, like Amazon has a whole bunch of different styles and stuff. You can just jump on Amazon and get some, honestly. All right, thank you for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed that little DIY for your Conqueror 490. If you have any questions or any thoughts about it, please leave them in the comments and we'll get to answering those. Or if there's any other ideas you have for some upgrades you would like to see happen on the 490, or maybe that you've done yourself, you can comment in there and maybe give us some great ideas as well. You know, we're only as good as all of us are as a community is, so we're always learning from each other. So that's one of the things that's unique about RVs America as well, is that we are always doing these upgrades for our trailers and for our roamers, and a lot of them come from ideas from you guys. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can see more videos like this, as well as our adventure videos. We always have those coming out as well. So thanks again. Have a wonderful day.